little side note here, shout out to Workaholic Dave for posting this image originally, and Noah Cat for also posting this. So this comes from an Amazon review. So somebody reviewed I'm going to guess this looks like a Z Fold device. So I'm going to guess a Z Fold device. Actually, is this a Z Fold? I assume this is a Z Fold. So someone reviewed this foldable phone and they sold screen protectors. You already know screen protectors for foldable cell phones go on the outside of foldable cell phones, not on the inside, because the inside has that, has that beautiful inside display, which of course has its own screen protector that Samsung says you can't remove. Nonetheless, though, they took the two outside screen protectors and put them on the inside. And by the way, the long narrow display, this is definitely a Z Fold. This is probably a Z Fold 4. Well, anyway, they took that and they put it in the inside display, and then this is the review they left. 1 out of 5, verified purchase, October 14, 2023. All right, so this is definitely a Z Fold 4. No, actually Z Fold 5, excuse me, not Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5. When the phone is folded, the screen protectors you put on the front is fine. But when I install the two screen protectors side by side, the phone screen is wider than the protectors. It's ugly and the sides are not protected at all. Waste of money. I thought I will save some money by buying it online. There is a part of me that does understand why foldable phones are not as mainstream as they should be. And it's because of comments like this and posts like this where you will have somebody, and again, this is why Samsung has to put the notice at the very beginning of every time you use a Z Fold device that, listen, this inside display, well, it is more durable than normal. It's a lot better over the years. It's gotten a lot better. Please, for the love of everything good in this world, do not do stuff like this. You'd think this would be self-explanatory. 100% self-explanatory. But no, it's not. It's absolutely not. And yeah, so not only, by the way, did you ruin your inside display by doing this, you also, because there's adhesive on the back of these screen protectors, and that's never going to come off that plastic on the inside display. That's never coming off that plastic. So, yeah, it's stuff like this that makes you really question, some people. And I definitely questioning some people after this video. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Have you ever tried your screen protectors on the inside display? I hope not. I hope